Okay, I'm starting to think about starting this one up. Right now, it's full length, but I may take this down to cudgel length and keep a pretty good amount of the spikes. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've been peeling on this a little bit, and it's very tedious, but it's doable. And right now, just using a little small old pocket knife, but with all these branches and spikes, it's hard for me to get my hands in at any kind of angle to do it. So it's just little pieces and sections at a time, and we're going to keep going at it.